Hey everyone. Welcome back to Medcars. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most exciting compact SUVs on the market, the Kia Seltos. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or practicality, this car promises a lot. But does it deliver? Stay with us as we explore its key features, engine performance, and much more. First things first, the design. The Kia Seltos has a bold and modern exterior. With its signature tiger nose grille, sleek LED headlights, and sporty stance, it certainly turns heads. The sculpted lines on the hood and sides give it a premium look, while the two-tone roof option adds a touch of customization. Depending on the trim level, you can get features like LED DRLs, projector fog lamps, and even 18-inch alloy wheels, giving it a more aggressive road presence. The rear LED tail lights and dual-tone bumper add to its sporty appeal. Inside the car, step inside, and the Kia Seltos welcomes you with a surprisingly premium cabin. The materials used are top-notch for its segment, and the layout feels driver-centric. The dashboard is clean, with a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims even offer wireless charging, ventilated seats, and a premium Bose sound system. The digital instrument cluster displays all necessary information, and the flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch. There's ample space for passengers, and the rear seats even recline for extra comfort. With 433 liters of boot space, the Seltos is also practical. Whether it's weekend trips or grocery runs, this SUV won't disappoint in storage. Engine and performance. Now, let us talk performance. The Kia Seltos comes with multiple engine options, depending on the market. Let us break it down. The 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine produces 113 bhp and 144 nanometers of torque, perfect for city driving. If you want more punch, there's the 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine with 138 bhp and 242 nanometers of torque, making it a thrill to drive. Diesel lovers can opt for the 1.5-liter CR diesel engine with 113 bhp and 250 nanometers of torque, known for its efficiency and highway performance. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual, CVT, 7-speed DCT, and a 6-speed automatic for the diesel variant. On the road, the Kia Seltos offers a balanced drive. The suspension is tuned well to absorb bumps while maintaining a stable ride. The steering feels light in the city but gains some weight at higher speeds. The turbo engine delivers an engaging drive, and the DCT gearbox shifts smoothly, making it ideal for enthusiasts. Safety is a priority in the Seltos. Depending on the variant, you get up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking. So, what's the verdict? The Kia Seltos offers a stylish design, premium features, multiple engine choices, and solid performance, all at a competitive price. Whether you want an efficient daily driver or a fun-to-drive SUV, the Seltos has something for everyone. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the Kia Seltos over its rival? See you in the next video.